how to increase volume on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how to increase volume on Spotify. Firstly, after opening your Spotify application, tap on your name's initial at the top left corner. Now here you can see three options, from which click on the option that says Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see the option of volume level under the section of playback. Now as you can see on the screen, I have my volume level normal. So to increase it, just click on the downward facing triangle and you will be able to see three options that says loud, normal and quiet. So to increase the volume, just set your volume level to loud and that's it. The volume will be increased on Spotify. And this is all for this video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.